Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you ginger plum juice. This is the season now for your plums. These are somewhat of pick off my tree this morning. So you can see these are the nice black plums. So I've got a whole lot of plums to pick, so I'm going to be doing some plum recipes over the coming weeks. Right, so these are some mine here, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing with them. So I'm going to bring the camera in and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, these are the ingredients what I'm going to be using for today. I've got some apple juice, got a lemon, got some black grapes, some green grapes, and a bit of ginger. You need about an inch of ginger, depending on how strong you want it. Got a cup of water, cup of white sugar, got some maple syrup, and I've got these plums in the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting these plums on the fire till they're cooked down. So what you want to do, you want to go, these have all been washed, you just want to go through them and just prick them. These have still got the seeds in them, so you're going to be stewing this down, and then you're going to be taking it off the fire, letting it cool down, and then you're going to be trying to get as much the seeds out. So that's going on my fire. So you don't want a high heat. Then you put your water in. You might not need all your water. Then you put your sugar in. This might look like a lot of sugar, but it's just to stew it down. How much plums you use is up to you, but I think you're going to need about 10 to more than 10. I've got more than 10 in here. Just make sure that you can stir it so you get your sugar out. Want your sugar to dissolve out. I know what some people are going to be saying, why don't you put the sugar in first and dissolve it, but that's how it goes. You're going to be cooking this right down till they're nice and soft and pulpy. So once we get done that stage, then I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so we've let this cool down. As you can see, it's a nice thick liquid. So I'm just going to set that to one side for a bit. And into our jug, we're going to add our green grapes first. So this is going to be a nice, like a tartish sort of flavour to this. And into that I'm going to put half of our apple juice. Could have used a different jug, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to put about half of our ginger to start off with, just for taste. If I need more, then I can put more in. Just find my strainer. Here. We're going to put in about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of lemon juice. Right, so I'm going to liquidize this and then strain this one through, and then so once I've liquidized this, I'll be back with you. Right, so we blended down the first lot. I'm going to strain this through as well, just to get out the skins and the bits what you don't want. So I'm going to get the black grapes in now. These are the extra black grapes. You can use the red grapes if you can't get the black grapes. And into this one, I'm going to be putting my maple syrup. So how much maple syrup you put in is up to you. So I'm putting that much because we're going to be having it with ice. And then I'm going to put in the rest of my apple juice. Then I'm going to make the rest up with water. I'm going to blend this one out and then I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so we've got that to where we wanted it. We're going to whisk everything and blend everything together now. So we haven't put in this the black grape juice yet. Just in case I need to blend it out a bit more. So we're going to just give this a taste and see if we need to add any more sugar or ginger to it. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rest of our ginger and a little bit of more of the lemon juice. That much should do it. Just going to cover this again. Just going to liquidize this out again, then I'll be back with you. Right, so I've blended that out with a little bit more ginger and thing. Just going to taste this one and see what this one is like. You can see all the... So that's not all okay. Just do this as a juice on its own if you want. Get this strained through. So what you're seeing in there now is just the skin. So you can see that's nicely blended out. So we've got most of it out. See, this one's a lot easier because it had more liquid in it. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend, and press the notification bell so you can receive our videos when they're out. At the moment, you can see that we just got everything up and running again. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please let us know. And we will get back to you on them. I know a lot of you are saying we've got pears in our garden, what are we going to be doing with them? But I'll show you how to make a plum juice. Not a plum juice, a pear juice, sorry. So as you can see, that's nice and thick. Get a spoon. So you can see that's nice and like a thick syrup. When that cools down a bit more, when it cools down a bit more, it might thicken up a little bit more. So I'm going to pour out a glass and show you what it looks like. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so that's what it looks like in a glass. Just needs a bit of ice. I'm going to let the whole thing chill down for a bit. So thank you for watching this one. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and I hope you all enjoyed the videos that we're putting out. So try this drink, make it on a nice hot day, sit out in the garden with some ice, and you'll be alright. So take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.